Welcome to the video tutorial of the Bring Your Own Language demo, in which we are going to show how you can play around with the Bring Your Own Language demo by yourself. First, we'll connect our wallet. So we'll connect MetaMask, and as we connect, it's gonna show us probably wrong network because it's unlikely that you already have it in your wallet, and we're gonna then switch to this network. It's showing us the usual warnings because it's basically a private testnet, and once we have done that we can now grab funds from the faucet, and as the transaction is going to be complete in a few seconds, now if we wait for a while it refreshes by itself, or if we refresh ourselves, one can see that now we have pi squared tokens in our wallet. All the languages are already deployed on chain, but you can try adding a new one just to see that it fails. It's fun. Now let's just copy one language. Let's get WASM, for example. And I can select a contract from here, as it's made to be easy. And the contract that I'm putting in here is going to get deployed. And now as the transaction gets completed, I get the address and put the ABI in as well. And I can load the contract. Now, while I copy my address to mint some tokens, I shall remind you that you can basically see all that you're doing here also in the Explorer on the link that will be attached on the same page as the link to this app, and you can check everything that you've done on chain. Now, as the transaction is done, now we can check our balance, and it is done and it's all good. That should be about it. You know how to play with the app, and you will be able to also check everything you've done on Explorer, as I said, which will be available at the same link as this one. Just change Bring Your Own Language from here to Explorer.